On my YouTubers, I have a question to ask you all. If you have a bad hair day, you don't realize it until you get square with us and say, hey, what's going on with your hair? It's like, nothing, my hair's perfect. And everyone else is like, no, it's not really. Like, then what's wrong with my hair? All the people are like, earrings like that. Well, if I have a bad hair day, I got a bad hair day, big deal, it's really good. I freaking puke all over me. I'm just reading something on my computer being stupid. Let's just turn right. So guys, you guys can't see me very well. I could. Sorry, I gotta open up that window. Oh, that's so delicious looking. That's so I don't know. Oh my god. So, if you do have one of those bad hair days, put down in the comments, please, and I will try to reply to them, and we'll see you then. It might take me a little bit because my email may be down every once in a while, since I've had my email since I was in like 5th grade or 4th, and it's filled up a ton, and I haven't been able to clean it out yet, so it might be down, so I'll have to clean it out. So I'm not going through all those emails, just going into this one, no, not that one, I ain't going through that. Oh, that is so cool. Yeah, see you guys later, and make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I will bring you more videos. Thank you.